In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update YouCam Makeup app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, by updating your YouCam Makeup app, you'll be able to get the latest version that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with this app. To update it, we need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. So if I go back and then go to Google Play Store here, using this search bar, search for your app, or if you can't see the search bar on top, tap on the search icon down below. Then I'll type in YouCam Makeup, just like that, and then search. As you can see, we have our app here. If I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of YouCam Makeup app selfie editor. To get the latest version, tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of YouCam Makeup app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of YouCam Makeup app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.